Hello, frenemies! Again, welcome to my channel and Saree season 1. Saree is black. So I'm gonna do a smoky eye look today with this beautiful red and black saree. So I already prepared my skin with the moisturizer and toner. Now I'm gonna apply the primer. Done. So now for kind of like a glowy skin, I just bought from my Boxing Day sale this Bare Minerals a golden peach, but when I applied it on my skin I didn't see any tint or anything but glow. I'll show you now. Look, I don't see any skin tint but glow. So it will make my makeup more glowy, like glass skin. It has illuminizer inside it, so that's why. And also it has SPF 20 in it. Now I'm gonna do my eyes first and eyebrows. So I took this P. Louise. So I already set it with my brush, and today I'm gonna use the Morphe palette. So I showed you already the colors, and now at first I didn't set it with any loose powder or anything or setting powder because I'm gonna set it with eyeshadow. And at first I'll set it with white eyeshadow. Before that I'm going to smoothen up with this sponge, otherwise it has crease. Now I'm taking the white shadow and spreading it all over my lid. All set. Now I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow. I'm taking this flat brush. You see, it's a flat brush, and taking the black shadow and start tapping middle of my eye. If you have hooded eye, you can go beyond this crease, then your smoky eye look will be more visible. But I don't have hooded eye, so I'll go not that much beyond but a little bit. Now I'm gonna blend it with a brownish shade. I'll show you this one, just close to black, the dark brown shade. Now I'm gonna take clean brush to blend this out because there is a harsh line, as you can see. Now I'm gonna apply a bit more lighter orangey shade here on top of it. Just because I have red in it, and also my blouse is red, so I'm mixing it with a little bit orangish shade to create a vibrant look. And now again I'm going to take the clean brush to blend it out. So my smoky eye look is done. If you want to add some glitter on it, you can do it. I'm coming back by finishing my this side. All set my under eyes. Now I'm gonna contour with my NYX contour sticks. Dolce Vita is the shade. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.